Racing for the last and final race tonight here at the San Lazaro Leisure Park. As they settled, we have Oh Somebody very quickly at the start, moving upon the outside. Master Professor, Power Dance in the middle. Walking Yan, Passion Island comes next. Something Silver, Hugadera, then followed over by Playing Cool While Loaded is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, Oh Somebody's running by the rail. In the middle portion comes entry number 9, Master Professor, then followed over by Power Dance. 6 lengths further back in fourth comes Passion Island. Moving upon the outside, Something Silver. Playing Cool, Walking Young, running alongside. Hugadera second last, while Loaded is still in behind them. Past the half-mile distance. This time we have 2 entries. Party out for the lead. We have Power Dance now moves up by about 3/4 of a length lead. Then here comes Oh Somebody, now down on the inside, 6 lengths further back in third comes entry number 4, and this one is Something Silver. Master Professor fading out, dropping back in fourth, then followed over by Passion Island. Walking Yan, Hugadera Loaded, while Playing Cool now in behind them, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Power Dance running by the Oh Somebody, then here comes Something Silver now closing in with about 150 meters more to run. We have Something Silver now moves up to take the lead. Power Dance drops back in second, and finally it's Something Silver. Power Dance third goes to Oh Somebody. Passion Island, Walking Yan, Master